Want a new way to get your kicks?
Now it goes to St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City. Looks
The Toyota MR2.
You'll see Amarillo, Gallup, Mexico.
Mid-engine, 16 valves, 2-seater.
Winona, Kingman, Barstow, San Bernardino.
Very affordable. Toyota MR2.
Get your kicks on Route 66.
It's a kick.
Who could ask for anything more? Toyota.
Where it broke. Jesus. Snap your clean off. Oh. Wow. Look at that.
Fucking cheap shit.
Dude, freaking twisted it. Them axles are kind of expensive. Sucks.
Yeah, that's not the same. Look how much fatter that is.
Oh yeah. Definitely. I mean, they're not the best axles you can get, but they're definitely better than them. I guess let's bet to see if we can stick one of these axles in here real quick.
It ain't gonna. We can try it, but that summit is huge. You mean through this?
Yeah.
It ain't gonna fit through there, but we can.
It's not going to. I don't think.
We can just
verify.
entertain it. The idea.
Last hub buttoned up. Studs and the hexel in there. Let's see from the top. Yep, that's that beefy boy up in there. Toyonda axles, 700 horsepower. We're gonna see what they can do. Jeremy thinks I'll break them.
Colin breaks everything.
Get her buttoned up and take her for a rip. Hopefully the tune's on. That'd be great. Tune should be good, honestly. But we'll see. We're in the last stages. Keep breaking these damn axles, man. Dang snail just keeps wanting to snap them. Jeremy's like, shit.
Had to learn how to launch.
Mason, help me, please. Please.
Show him how to
Mason.
hold that oil plug tight, man.
I got tight. Driveway looking tough. Working on some clutch work because obviously I gotta get better, but it's kind of hard to slip the clutch in a car like this, you know. I'm not trying to do any full like runs right here, but I'm just trying to get a little footwork in. I'll hold the camera in one hand and the wheel in the other. You guys try and listen. See, that wasn't too bad, honestly. I feel like that wasn't too bad, but I need to roll out a little more. The car's untuned, but I'll do it one more time for you guys. I just had a good one before. It really like launched out instead of kind of bogging. But once I get a two-step and shit, it'll be a lot better. I don't know how the camera's like looking at me like this, but it is what it is. I'll actually try it one more time and I'll put it up for the night for you guys. So I'm over here on my e-brake. Until I get it tuned to do any more romping on it, but I gotta learn a little footwork, and I can't keep getting in my car and not ever have any driving experience or time in the seat. Like, it is what it is. Even if it's embarrassing, I gotta get some time in the car, really, you know, or I'll never get better at driving or racing. Now, I can drive with manual. It's more so racing a high horsepower car with the stick shift, but I think I got the gist of her. Just do a couple more launches like that, feel her out a little bit. Yep, gotta learn some way. Fucking get to tune down, and she'll come alive harder, and then won't have as much issues with bogging or stalling out like that. I'll be able to come a lot higher up on thing. I'm literally was just in there to check out the clutch.